Oh my god, guys, Shiba Inu price again dumps. Completely the price going negative. I'm very sad about Shiba Inu that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days changes of Shiba Inu is going negative. So I'm very sad and I'm very angry to Shiba Inu. You can see here, guys, if we talk about the price of Shiba Inu right now, so 0.00007 USD dollar. Other hand, if we talk about the changes of Shiba Inu, so you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week changes of XI Infinity. Sorry, Shiba Inu is completely going negative, so that's why I'm feeling crazy that Shiba Inu is going in the loss completely, guys. You can see here, guys, if we look the price chart, so on 14 September you can see the price struggle to jump, but again from yesterday on 15 September the Shiba Inu price again dumps. Now, guys, possibility is that they continue jump after falls. You can see my prediction is that now falls again the price will jump, maybe again the price jumps, maybe again the price jump. That is my roadmap for Shiba Inu, guys. So on 18 17 September possibilities that the price will again pump, guys. Negative 5.95% changes occurred just in the last 7 days, guys. What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.